In this tutorial, I will show you how you can upload any file or folder in your Google Drive. So for example, I have this locally stored file and folder right here, which I want to upload to the Google Drive. For example, I want any of the PDF to be uploaded in my Google Drive and also any particular folder. For example, let's say this folder right here. So to upload them to Google Drive, simply open your Google Drive either using the desktop application or your browser. Then once you are inside your Google Drive, simply click on the My Drive button right here. This will give you a better navigation. So then you need to choose the location where you will be storing your files. If you want them to store directly onto the drive without having any particular folder, then you may simply click on the New button right here. Or else if you want to navigate it to any folder, for example, as I will be doing, that I will be storing the files in this new folder right here. So I will click on it and then I will click on the New button. Then once you have clicked, you can choose to either upload a file or a folder. If you want to upload a file, simply click on the File Upload button. Now you may choose any of the files which are present here. For example, I will be choosing these two PDFs. Now, once you have selected all of the files that you want to upload, simply click on this Open button right here. And here you can see that the files are being uploaded. And the file has been successfully uploaded. Now to upload a folder, you need to click on this New button again, then click on the Folder Upload button, and then it will load all the folders which are available. Simply click on the folder that you want to upload, and then simply click on this Upload button right here. Here you can see that it will give me a warning to upload all the 20 files to this site, since this folder contains 20 files. Now it's up to me. If I want to proceed, simply click on the Upload button. And here you can see that the folder has been uploaded, and soon all of its contents will start to upload as well. Let's wait for it. Now as you can see that the process has been finished and all the 20 elements or the files have been uploaded inside the folder. So let's open the folder to verify, and here you can see that all of its contents have been uploaded successfully. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.